Guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is your girl igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, please try endeavor to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. When you give this video a thumbs up, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, and that you're helping me out as well. Thank you so much. And guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about expressions in Igbo language. Yes, what did I say? Top 5 hand expressions in Igbo language. Yes, this will also help you in your phrases and Igbo vocabulary here and there. Of course, on this channel I bring in tips in helping you to make sentences in Igbo, helping you to use sentences in Igbo, helping you to use phrases in Igbo language as well. But in today's video, I'm talking about the 5 hand expressions in Igbo language. The 5 hand expressions in Igbo language that we often use every blessed day. I said every blessed day. So if you learn this today, you have learned Igbo language, about 5% of Igbo language. You have learned it just in one video. Isn't that great? Therefore, without ado, let's dive into the video. Akam di ocha. 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 Guys, basically this has 2 meanings. Yes, we're going to be dissecting it now. Number 1, akam di ocha means I am innocent. I didn't do this. I didn't steal this book. I didn't take your pen. I didn't spoil your car. I didn't spoil your house. I didn't get your house burnt. Akam di ocha. That is why in the court you swear an oath like this. It means you're saying that your hand is clean. Your hand is clean, you didn't do this. Yes. Akam di ocha. On the other hand, it means your hand is clean. You want to go and eat. You wash your hand before you eat. Akam di ocha. Akam di ocha. You see, it has 2 meanings. So, let's go back to the next. Hapum aka. Hapum aka. Hapum aka means leave me alone. Hapum aka. Hapum aka. Hapum aka means leave me alone. Hapum aka. Leave me alone. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Don't talk to me. Hapum aka. Leave me alone. And the next is wete akage. Wete akage. Wete akage. Wete akage. Wete akage. Bring your hand. Wete akage. Bring your hand. Wete akage, bring your hand. Wete akage eba, bring your hand here. Wete akage eba, bring your hand here. Wete akage eba, bring your hand here. And the next one is nyerem aka, nyerem aka, nyerem aka, nyerem aka. Watch my lips. Nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. Guys, it will do you good to repeat as I am saying. It will help you so much. Don't wait when I say, just synchronize with me, okay? Nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. Nyerem aka. Nyerem aka basically means help me. Help me. Do aka nante. Do aka nante. Do aka nante. Do aka nante. Do akanante. Do akanante. Listen carefully. When somebody tells you do akanante, it means listen carefully. What the person is about to say is very important, and it's going to make you or break you. It's going to help you. Do akanante. Don't do it again. Do akanante. Do this. Do you understand? It's basically listen carefully. Okay? Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wo akage. That's what it basically means. Wash your hands. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wo akage. Wash your hands. Wo akage. Dosakage. 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 Dose akage. Dose akage. Dose akage. Dose akage. Dose akage basically means keep your hands. Okay, thank you guys. We've come to the end of this video, guys. If you've not subscribed to this point, please try to do so. Also like this video as well. When you like this video, YouTube recommends it to a wide range of people. Share my videos so people can also know that I do this and they come and enjoy as you're enjoying. On this channel, I drop videos every blessed day. Yes, I said it. Every blessed day I drop video on this channel. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.